Okay, in this video we are going to see how you can create a monitoring job within SQL Planner. First of all, you will go to menu and hit on create monitoring or health analysis job. This is where you can define your server that you want to monitor. In my case, I'll be monitoring one of my server, which is whose instance name is deploy. Okay, and I'll provide my as a credential to log in and connect. So these are the alert mechanism which I can define. Uh, for example, when this specific CPU usage is greater than 60% since last 60 minutes, then it will send me an alert. And I can modify it anything that I want to. And similarly, you can define the threshold value for your disk drive, and the third point is for RAM uses. So any threshold, whenever it will cross, and then in that case it will send you an email. So same goes for multiple of them, and you can uh, define it as per your need. So in this case, monitor your storage related analysis. You can choose your database and you can define your own email ID here, where it has to send all the notification email. Okay, something like gmail.com, and I'll define this as a job name, anything that I want to, so that I can understand uh, where is this machine located and where is this alert coming from. I can refer it easily. This is a server name, and I will hit save. So basically you will need a sysadmin credential to log in, because it has to create an extended event and certain T-SQL and T-SQL code plus DMB it has to execute, for which sysadmin or a DBA with the highest privileges on the server is required. And the moment when you click on save, it will create this job, plus for the first time it will create a data that is meaningful for the reports it to be generated. So for second server onwards, you can repeat the same steps again, and you can define n number of server monitoring here. So the moment when you uh, created a job, you can come to the dashboard by clicking on SQL Planner and go to server monitoring. I can see that, okay, this was the server that I just created to monitor, and these are the details over here, and I can edit it any point of time in future. Now at the dashboard, I'll see all of them, all the top servers that are being monitored here, and the important report for the dashboard. Similarly, when it comes to the analysis of several reports, I'll go to analyze. I'll click on analyze server health, and there are several of different health insight option available here. You choose them and take a look at those reports in detail, and those demo are there in different video. So this is all for this session. Thank you for watching it.